I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines.
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same,
That I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and executive orders
and executive orders
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
of the Republic of the Philippines.
of the Republic of the Philippines,
That I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
that I
I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation or
Without-
purpose of evasion.
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
I further solemnly swear
I further solemnly swear
that at all times and places
that at all times and places
I will adhere closely
that I will adhere closely
to the ethical and professional rules
to the ethical and professional rules
generally accepted
accepted
by the nursing profession in the Philippines,
by the nursing profession in the Philippines,
and that I will well
I will well
and faithfully discharge
and faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
the best of my ability
the duties and obligations
and obligations
incumbent upon a legally authorized
incumbent upon legally authorized
nurse practitioner.
nurse practitioner.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Ano naman dyan?
Black Derby.
Laki ng mukha nyo.
Congratulations once again to our brand new